Hello students and welcome to lesson 1.23.3 preview. This is a preview of this lesson to help you understand it better and do your best when you complete it. Today we will work on your English listening, conversation, and reading skills. We begin with a dialogue-related conversation topic for English learners to help with listening and reading comprehension. Then we continue with Dialogue 1 from our English course, American English Conversations 3. Designed for beginners, each dialogue helps English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comments section below. So here is part 1. Watch the video, read the text below, then translate the text into your primary language and read it again. So again, you translate using this. You simply select the language that you wish to read. You can also look it up here. Quite a lot of languages here, as you can see. You select the language. Then when you finish, you click back on the American flag to return everything to English. So you watch this video, read the text in English, translate the text. Then we have part 2, directions. Read the dialogue below in English. Then translate it and read it in your primary language. So, here is Dialogue 1, Formal Greetings. Let's read it. Good morning, Professor Austin. How are you doing? Good morning, James. I am doing well. And you? I'm great, thank you. This is my friend Emma. She is thinking about applying to this college. She has a few questions. Would you mind telling us about the process, please? Hello, Emma. It's a pleasure to meet you. I'm more than happy to speak with you. Please stop by my office next week. It's a pleasure to meet you, Professor. Thank you so much for helping us. Don't mention it. Hopefully, I will be able to answer your questions. So this was the dialogue. If you don't understand it, you can also translate it using our translate section here. And here is part 3, very important part. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. Okay, so when you watch this video and you pronounce together with it, you improve your listening comprehension, you improve your speaking, you improve your pronunciation, your reading comprehension. So this is a really helpful video. And when you finish, you can leave us a comment here, write your name, write your email, and post comment. Okay? Well, thank you very much for watching this preview of lesson 1.23.3. Please do your best to complete this lesson. Thank you.